Today we are going to discuss about product based client and service based client, right? So start with a product based client, and it is very much important for a recruiter to understand what makes a company a product based and a service based, right? Then only you will be able to understand and identify people and ask certain questions that can be related to your job and what the client is looking for. So let's start with product based. The name itself explains what it is. Product based companies are those which develops software products or non software products, but it has an IT department which can help these products to exist in the market. And the product based companies primarily rely on customers like us, like individual customers. All right. And product based companies have their own team who work in the back end to help the existing product become more sellable, more attractive, more competitive, and more user friendly. All right. For those examples are like Microsoft product we use. Amazon is an e-commerce giant, but they have their e-commerce website that consumers directly use, right? IBM products, HP, Google. So these are product based companies, meaning who are directly related to consumers and they have their own product that they have developed. All right. And if you are looking for a product, a person from product development, product based company, then you should be asking the client once again that do they mean the product development company should be from India, or they have branches in India? Like we have a Paytm, right? Zoho and Zomato, Dhruva, Tally, Freshdesk, Newgen. There are so many such companies which are product based in India. And now, as I explained, from product based which has a headquarter in US, like we have Google, Facebook, and Apple. So those are US based and which are not domestic, Indian based, and those are the companies that I have explained. Those are the product based and those are from India. Now let's go and understand what is service based companies. Okay, service based companies are software companies. They have products and they have services, and they go and give their products and services to anybody else who asks for a price, right? Meaning they have an IT team which is always ready to work on others' project and deliver it for them. In product development, what happens? They work on their product and they ensure the customer satisfaction, the end user satisfaction is been met. And in service based, the IT team doesn't have to worry with the customer satisfaction because they are not developing anything for them but for the client. Okay, let me make it a little bit more clearer. For example, okay, before I give an example, so service based companies use product based companies help or product based companies products to deliver their project to the client. All right, to give solution to the client. To bring this to the context, let's for example, our government, Indian government, asked a service based company to work on their payroll and they wanted it to be fully digitized. Okay, so what the service based company will do is they will go for the external database, they go for the cloud if they want, or they use other softwares to ensure that our government gets a particular product for their payroll. All right, So when they said digitization for everything, they definitely go with the ERP. All right. So what they do, these particular service based companies use maybe Oracle or maybe Amazon or ERP services, use their products to help the end client. Okay. So end client will be using for them because they want, if all the payroll needs to be digitized. So what these service based guys did, they went with the product based guys and they delivered a solution. And now who does this kind of work? To give you an example of the service based companies, TCS, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, Birlasoft, Infosys, Memphis, Mindtree, and Oracle Financial Services. What else? We had Satyam in the past. So these are the companies. Wipro, if I have not explained yet, Wipro. So these are the service based companies. Okay. So these companies, what they do, they take up a project, and once they understand what the client needs, they hire the IT people, and once that is done, that's it. And in product based companies, what happens, if they hire someone, they go on deep and deep and deep to understand what makes this product more valuable and sustain in the market. In the service based companies, the developer doesn't have to worry anything about it. They just work on the project and the assignments, they deliver it, that's it. And in product based companies, what happens, the developer has full responsibility to ensure that the solution is properly fit to the market demand. All right, I hope it gave you some clarity on what is product based and what is service based. So now from the recruiter point of view, in my next video, I'm going to explain what is that the keyword that you should be looking for in the resume if you would like to hire a product development manager or someone who worked in product development company. All right, you may have any questions, put that in the comment box and I'll see if I could answer that, or we both together can find how we can get a solution. All right, this is Suman Pachigulla, #1 best-selling author of the book Nail the Deal. If you have not grabbed it yet, I would suggest you to grab one and change your worldview. I'm a MAV recruiter mentor and on a mission to impact 5 million lives. Take care and God bless.